In this video, we are going to discuss about map, filter, and reduce methods in JavaScript. Map, filter, reduce methods are important methods can be used for various purposes. Map and reduce and filter are functions that transform the array according to the applied function and return the updated array. They are used to write simple, short, and clean codes for modifying array instead of using loops. First one is map method. It applies a given function and on all the elements of the array and returns the updated array. For each element in the array, this will take another value. It is a simpler and shorter code instead of a loop. Map is similar to the following code. Here array is equal to new array of 6 values are there. For let I equal to 0 to 6, each array value will be incremented. Array of I is equal to array of I. So when I is 0, it will change. When I is 1, in each index position, whatever value is there, it will be multiplied by 3. Syntax for function, array dot for function to be applied, and array dot function of arguments and set of code. So it may be a single line mapping method, or it will be the statement may be a multiple line also. Example, function triple of n. It returns n into 3. Array equal to new array of 1, 5, 4. The new array is equal to array dot map of triple. Each value of the array will be multiplied by the triple function return value n into 3. It will be displayed. That's what dot log new array. So 36, 18, 15, 12. We have what's example for a student record array. It contains several objects. Student records, we have first object. This array, first object is name John. ID is 123, marks 98. Next, name Bob, 101, marks 23. Next name Yaga, ID 200, marks 45. Next name Vic, ID 115, marks 75. Now, your question is, we are interested in retrieving the name of the students and all the names should be in caps. Expected result should be in caps. Only name should be displayed. Further map functions can be used. Let the names is equal to student records array dot each student value with student dot name dot to uppercase of. So each student's name will be taken, it will be converted to uppercase, and each value will be mapped to the result. So result array name is names. When you display console.log of names, it will show all the names capital. Next method is after map method. Next is filter method. Filter method returns only those elements from array which fulfills the provided criteria. If a condition is satisfied, that value will be taken. That is called filter method. Here problem statement is we have the same data set as above, but this time we want to get the names of students who scored more than some. We have to display the people of students who scored names of students who scored more than 50. Here John scored 98 and we scored 75. Others have scored less than 50. So to get this, these two names, we are using that names is equal to student records dot of student is equal to student marks, student dot marks of greater than 50. Marks greater than 50, you are printing names. Another problem statement here, two conditions are given. Students who scored more than 20 and their ID greater than 120. So in this case, only John has ID greater than 120 and mark also 50. So filter student records dot filter or student where a student dot mark greater than 50 and student dot NP greater than 120. Then third method is reduce method. Like the map of and filter of reduce of method executes the callback for each element of the array. To better understand this reduce, we first need to understand two terms, accumulator and reducer. Accumulator is the value that we end up with, and the reducer is what action we will perform in order to get one value. We must remember that the reducer will always return only one value, hence the name is given as reducer. The question is, consider the same scenario we have discussed above, but this time we would like to know the sum total marks of the student. Sum total. Let total marks is equal to student records dot reduce of accumulated M implies accumulator plus M dot marks. So for instantly accumulator and result, two variables are used instant add comma M. So it will add each mark and it will get the total mark. First it will be 0 plus first mark. Accumulator is 0 and first mark is M dot marks. Again it will get this third mark, second mark, third mark. All the marks would be added. So when we display total marks, it is 241. So as in the above piece of code using the reduce of, we were easily able to get the desired result in a simple and robust way. In a single line, we will get the output. Working of reduce of function is array dot reduce of accumulated comma current value. It implies expression comma initial value. So this syntax is same as the example here. Thank you.